So yeah, on this one we got let's put the labels on this 8 yards. So this is a composite figure, and yeah, it's two rectangles that have been pushed together really. And you get to slice it however you want. Again, horizontally or vertically. I think during class we did this one vertically, but I'm going to do this one horizontally just to show you that it won't matter. Which means that I'm going to cut it right here in order to make this rectangle. Right? So let me see if I can split that up. I might have to retrace it though. That didn't work. Let's try this. There we go. All right, so I've disconnected that red rectangle. And yeah, we do know the dimensions of that shape as well. We got 8 yards and 3 yards. And that would be that one rectangle. But there's also the other one that we need to be aware of. So let's go ahead and trace this one. Now, yeah, I'll do this one in purple. Let me retrace it just so we can kind of see if I can disconnect this one as well. And then move it out. Yep, about right here like that, you'll see. And we know at least one of the dimensions of this rectangle. It's 2 yards there at the top. Now, having the 2 yards at the top is good, but we need the other dimension in order to find this area. So what we got to do is we got to look at the original shape, which had this black side length right there. That's the 12 yards. The full length there is 12 yards, not just the purple part or the red part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of, hopefully we can, I don't know, kind of color code this. So I would say, look at this 3 yard length right here, which is part of the red rectangle. What I can do with it is I can pretty much move it, and we know it's 3 yards, right? I can say, well, look, it's part of that 12 yard length, and then the rest of that is the purple side length, which we don't know yet. But what we do know is if I combine the green with the purple, I'd get 12 yards. So in order to find that missing length, what I would do is I would take the full length at 12 yards and subtract the green length, which is 3 yards. And what my result is here is the final dimension of that purple rectangle. So 12 minus 3 is 9 yards. Yeah, that's this left. I'm going to put it on the left anyways. 9 yards. And so now that we have that dimension, we're ready to find the area of the purple rectangle. We were already ready to find the area of the red one. So let's find the area of that purple rectangle. That would be 9 length times width, 9 times 2, which is 18. And again, that would be in square yards. I also need the area of the red rectangle, which is an 8 by 3 rectangle. So 8 times 3 will tell me the area. That is 8 times 3 is 24 square yards. That's a yards right there. And to find the total area of what would have been the full L shape back there, we need to add those two areas together. So I'm really looking at 18 plus 24. So yeah, I've stacked these purposely so that we can just add them directly. 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus that red 2 is 4. So 42 square yards. I can do a better Q than that. Well, I don't know if that's better, but it'll do. We get a final area of 42 square yards. And yes, it is possible if you would have liked to you could have made this a full rectangle and then subtracted whatever this rectangle is.